e get many matter wey dey happen now wey be say we dey hear. Make we take the one wey be say e never too tey wey e happen so. That na one company wey be say im dey say na im dey recruit people, im dey train people. E even come meet the Edo State Waste Management Board. Now una dey on top job matter. Na una dey train, na una dey employ them, una dey give them job. Wetin una dey do to make sure say people wey dey out there, they go know say anything wey concern job na only Edo job for Edo State na im dey handle am.
Okay. This thing worry us very well because we dey hear this kind of thing say people dey pretend, then they lie, then they go talk say them dey from Edo jobs. One message wey we dey send to everybody all the time be say, please, Edo jobs no go say come register for vacancy, pay money. Once more, talk less of ni don enter the matter, just sit down for your house. That na say for job if program dey, maybe training dey and then we don subsidize am, that one na totally different matter. But to say person wan employ you, even if no be Edo jobs, even if say we know, of course we know say recruitment agencies dey this state, recruitment agencies dey work for Edo State, but the truth be say dem fit do their recruitment without collecting a dime from you. Most of these private recruitment agencies wey dey out there, they don charge their clients. So one red flag, the thing wey we dey call red flag, wey you go take note say this thing na scam, na on top of say dem come ask you for money, or after they ask you for money, maybe they don't ask you for money yet they come dey ask you for some sensitive information. Just see, to reach Edo jobs dey very simple. Registration at edojobs.org, feedback@edojobs.org. Just ask. The one wey happen recently, the good thing be say our people dey used to us already. Most of our Edo jobbers, we dey connected to them. They don send us message say, I hear this kind of vacancy, shey e true, shey e no true. For example, today we do a program where people come, they come do their screening for job. Before they leave the house, they don send message, abeg we hear this thing, shey e dey true abi no dey true. Make una dey very conversant with Edo jobs. We no dey far, we dey here for una. So please, we dey also work with a lot, even if no be Edo jobs dey do the recruitment, you fit ask us if you no dey sure. We go help you find out before you go do wetin go put you inside trouble. The people wey dey registered on Edo jobs, people don know me, I dey call them my Edo jobbers, our Edo jobbers. Now the thing wey everybody wey we want make everybody wey dey Edo, wey be Edo jobber, make dem get in common be say dem know they fit discover opportunities, they fit compete for opportunities, they fit work together, wetin we dey call collaboration, and they fit succeed. Now the main thing to discover opportunities wey Edo jobs get, number one, social media. Every job wey we dey post dey our social media. We know say young people na social media dem dey these days. Number two, if no be social media, the Edo jobs portal, edojobs.edostate.gov.ng. Number three, the bulk SMS wey we dey send out, and that na where collaboration come in. Say I get the bulk SMS or I get am for my WhatsApp message, no be say I no fit send am to other people. Or I know say you too, you dey on Edo jobs, take check shey you fit do this one no fit me, shey you go apply. If we do all these things together, any information wey dey, e go go round. We dey also work with our enumerators. So if you wan register for, if you wan get any opportunity on Edo jobs, I beg you, make you no sit down. Go there, check, apply. That application na the competition wey I dey talk. And if you no get this one, apply for the next one, because your own go click one day.